kular hakanigasni. Mangantray hok yaki kamjong. Hado.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa pan Pyndam ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kray api na kabanda ka neat.
Menteri Ketenaga Boarding ke Sorkar Jelau ba med baling do hakishpautrik julio araja apunrio ulay thu ba Meecl Energy Corporation Limited kan sa Shimti hino ban sam ya boarding Hamausan Ram subdivision hadi ba Sorkar Jela kala rai pan Pyndam no ka kontrak jong kasai computer limited ka Sorkar kala shim ya ni garai hadi ka jing kundu igi MLA gi ba mi khmar ka Hamausan Ram mau plang wat karani kor.
Government side we had decided it was a little long process for us to come to this decision that we have made. Though we had already made a decision at some point of time, but process has to be followed because government cannot just react to whatever problems or issues raised by concerned individuals or groups or Sintuk or anyone. And we have been apprised by we have been apprised by the local representatives, especially by Orang Sun from Mausan Ram, Beyond Star Korba from this place, Meecl, and Pius Marwin, who was from Ranikor. All these three constituencies, happens to be under this Mausan Ram Meecl subdivision. So we had decided to cancel the letter of award that we given to the Sai Computers Limited, and the corporation will take over if there's no other way or that we can take over from there. But however, the corporation will do the no, not exactly. As I have said from last week, I have already addressed this last week, and I have assured that some decisions will be taken because I understand this process that has to be followed. A legal opinions has to be seeked, and based on whatever thing, because matter is still in the court of law, and for that reason we have to ensure that whatever decision that we take, we have to take accordingly, so that there won't be any problem. Because the point here that we are would like to stress is that we would like to see that the people of that area should not suffer for whatever decisions we have taken, and we would like to see that the taking over also should be smooth, and we would like to extend the best services to the people of that area. Yeah, 3 areas have been affected by the Mausan Ram subdivision, which was being given to the Sai Computers. So that also not completely, Meecl also some part of it, but the rest of the part is in Meecl subdivision. I'm not mistaken. No, for this is specific for Mausan Ram subdivision. Yeah, this is specific for Mausan Ram subdivision.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.